Hello everybody, welcome back to TechTube. I hope you all are doing great. So today I am back with another tutorial video of how you can delete pins in Pinterest. So to get started, first of all go ahead and make sure you have installed Pinterest application on your mobile phone. Once it's done, go ahead and open it. The home page will be appear like this. Now go ahead and tap on your profile section, which is appear on the bottom right corner. And on here you can see two topics, pins and boards. Go ahead and tap on pins. Now here also you can see two options, which is filtered by favorites and created by you. Now tap on created by you, and here you can see the pins that you have already uploaded. So in order to delete it, you can just long press on it. Here you can see edit option on the pen sign or the pencil sign. Tap on it. Once you tap on it, here you can see delete option on the bottom left corner. Click on it, and are you sure you want to delete it? Then yes, if you wanna confirm it. Once it's done, you are good to go. So this is how it is, easy and simple. If you found the video to be helpful and informative, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates.